Welcome back. Now for the sports segment. In the Tri-Nation Series in Bangladesh, Team India will take on Sri Lanka in the final match tomorrow in Mirpur. After fighting each other for the past 2 months, Sri Lanka and India clash at the Shere-Bangla National Cricket Stadium on Wednesday. And if recent encounters are any clue, India are the favourites.
Was in the first few overs. If you don't have those wickets, then you're going to struggle.
Hard if you don't get wickets with the new ball.
We're now joined by J.K. Mahindra in our studios. So, J.K., your gut feelings about tomorrow's match?
Well, to be very frank, I'm a little worried because I was in England to see India
okay, I
come
think
up
the Indian players must take some caution then now.
Well, I went all the way to England and hoping that India will make it to the final, and disappointing. But India has had a good run of late with Sri Lanka, but that was at home. My worry is when they play outside, where there is not their own crowds, not their own grounds. And my worry is going to be whether they will get through the finals and come out of that bad time, which they have been having a bad run. Well, I'm sure that India is a favorite in every department in this game. Right now at the top with the batting form. But then, you know, one has to expect the unexpected in cricket. Okay. And that worries me, the law of averages, the uncertainties. And let's not, forget Sri Lanka youngsters have played India for a long time now, in the last month and a half or 2 months. So they will be having a lot of confidence, and I think that can upset us, and we have to be very, very careful.
Okay, we just hope that that doesn't come true. Your gut feelings don't come true. We need India to win, don't we?
Yes, of course. We
okay.
Pray for India.
Yeah. Okay. Going to a few players. Now, Amit Mishra did do well briefly, but now last match he wasn't that great, I suppose. Do you think he's going to find a place for himself in the next team?
Well, he bowled very well against Sri Lanka, and I was very happy to see a leg spinner do well, because I always feel a good leg spinner in a one-day game is very useful. But then I think it's doubtful that he'll make the team, because the match against Bangladesh, I expected a lot of that out of that boy, and I would love to have seen him bowl well, but there he failed a bit, and I think Dhoni will not risk a chance taking him in this final. I think he'll stick to his best 11, which he played against Sri Lanka in the game they lost, they won.
What do you think about Sehwag? You know, he hasn't done much of great batting in this, I mean, what he's expected to do in this series. Tomorrow it's kind of a last chance for him to prove himself.
I hope he does. Well, I think he will do well. The wicket is not suiting him as much as he would love to. Probably the ball is coming slower. But, you know, it's time he fires, because, you know, he can play on any kind of wickets. He's a gifted cricketer who can, his shots can be anywhere. He could play anywhere in the field, and he could hit the ball anywhere. And he can be a surprise tomorrow. I think he has to prove tomorrow, and I hope he will.
Okay, the next player we should probably talk about is Virat Kohli. He's perhaps the next poster boy of Indian cricket. What do you think?
I think he's become a wall now. After Rahul Dravid,
okay.
He seems to be playing so well in every innings. He's improving every match. I see him play better and better. There's some beautiful shots and beautiful technique. I think he has matured a long way, and Dhoni must be very, very pleased with this young cricketer who's also a good fielder.
Exactly.
That's
something
what,
which Indian team needs right now.
And that's what Dhoni has been talking about. And I think he's got some very good fielders in this side. Raina, Kohli, Yuvraj. I think he will make use of this. And I'm wondering whether there will be any change, because Karthik has done so well. You know, in 2 innings he has played, he is open, he has done very well. Probably if you want to put up a 400 score, I think Karthik would be an answer if you want to take a chance and drop Jadeja and take him. Well, we'll look forward to tomorrow what happens, who's going to play, and let's wish India does well.
Okay. Now, one more interesting factor in tomorrow's match is going to be the crowd. Neutral crowd, not India's home ground where they can get away with anything. What do you think?
Well, we are their neighbors, Sri Lanka, and India probably will have the equal presence there. There are Sri Lankans who live there and work there. There are Indians who will go across the border and watch because it's close by. But it's not going to be the same. The home crowd, the home advantage of wickets, you know, those beautiful batting wickets we have, it's not going to be the same. So it's going to be an evenly poised game, and I think Sri Lanka have also got a good chance here to prove that they are not underdogs. They are very good cricketers and people who have coming through experience. I think Kadambi is one I would look forward to score. Jayawardene needs to put up a good score because he has to keep up to his great name he has behind him.
Okay. Okay, let's hope tomorrow's match is fantastic and we get some great entertainment. And let's hope India, the best team, let the best team win tomorrow. What do you say?
And come over this, let them win a game outside.
Yes, exactly.
Which is going to make Dhoni very pleased because after T20 he isn't fired.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thanks a lot for joining us today. Thank you. So that's all we have for you at the moment. Keep watching NDTV Hindu for all that's making news.